Talmud, Abba is drunk at all important gatherings and ceremonies. The lady who mixes the Abba is the Talmud, who is usually the village virgin, usually the daughter of the highest southern chief. The Talmud plays a major role in the ceremony. She must be a virgin, for virgins are considered pure, and the ceremony should be pure and sacred. She is then trained to mix the Abba the proper way, for any mistakes will result in total embarrassment to the chiefs and the hosting villages as well. The Abba is then prepared by a group of people called Amar. It is brought to each participant by the Tatul Abba or Abba server, and the work prescribed by the Tuha Abba or Abba distributor. Usually, the highest chief of the visiting party is served first, followed by the highest chief of the host party.